to my channel. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Okay, y'all. Right now, I know I look a little dusty. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's cool. It's cool. I know I look a little dusty right now. Right now, I don't even know what time it is, but I'm getting ready to go to sleep. I just got done from what the frick? What the fuck? What the frick? I got a pimple. Oh snap! But I just got to finish walking my cousin downstairs because she just went home. So yeah, that's why I have on this jacket. But y'all, today I'm just gonna be showing y'all how to make an outro, and well, this is gonna be like a little series kind of, cause I just made 4 videos, but I'm making an intro to one of them because I don't think I made an intro. So, but I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to make an outro, how to use an outro template. I do have 2 outro templates in this video, so I'm gonna teach y'all how to make an outro yourself, how to use an outro template, how to edit your slate. And I think that's the 3 videos I did. So, yeah. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and comment down below some more video ideas. And make sure y'all go watch my previous videos before I even uploaded this, before I even thought of this. Go watch my school vlog, my unboxing, my pranks. More pranks on the way. More pranks on the way. Pranks on the way. So just wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it, because I've been cooking up in the kitchen. No, actually, recently I did just do 2 pranks on people. But, it was a fail. So, I didn't upload it. But anyways, more story times, more all of that on the way. But let's just jump right into the video. Hey y'all, so the first step to making an outro is you go to your Safari or your Google, whatever. You search up any kind of background you want. You can search up cute backgrounds. You can search up anything. I searched up marble white background. I already have it pulled up because it's my 3rd time trying to film this video. So yeah, but once you have your image pulled up, you just hold it until this little thing to pop up to say save image copy. You want to press save image, and then you want to go to your what is this called, your gallery or whatever you want to call it, your photos. Then you want to press the photo that you just downloaded or that you just saved. Then you want to flip it, the little icon down there, you want to flip it sideways. And then press done. Then if you don't already have this app on your phone called Fonto, I mean, you should go to your app store or whatever and download it. It's right here, the one I'm moving around. So download that. We're going to open that up. And then we're going to press the camera icon down here at the bottom. Then you want to press photo albums. And then you want to press recently added or anything. You just press your little image that you just saved. Press done. Then you want to tap it and you should see the little thing, the pop up to say add text. You want to press that. Then you want to type whatever you want. I'm going to type thanks for watching. And if you want this font is right here. You can either use the fonts that they provide you, or you can go download your own fonts using that font. And then you see how mine look all white and it blends in. We don't want that. We don't want that. So we're gonna press style. And then wait, no, I think I got the wrong font. Let me go back. Okay, now I got the right font. So then you want to press style, and you want to press black or pink. I'm gonna do the text color is gonna be pink, and then the back of it, the outline is gonna be black. So then you want to change the size, make it how big you want, how small you want, whatever, adjust it to your liking. That's how I want mine. And then you want to press the 3 little bars down there at the bottom. You want to press add item. You want to press the little square. And then we're going to make this, we're going to turn the size until it say 178. And then you want the height to be 104. So, hold on. Then you want to change this to 104, the height. And then you want to just place that over there. And then I already have my color. That's my color, pink. But I got it a soft pink by using this little thing down here. So I turned mine to, was it 74? I think that's where it's at. 74. And then you want to go ahead and do that again. And get your little add item. You want to press the circle this time so you can add your little image in it. Circle, and we're going to move the circle down to, say, we're going to say 60, 62. 62, 64, whichever one you feel like is, you know, small enough, big enough, whatever you want to call it. And then once you have it like this, you want to go to your Safari again. Want to type social media icons, PNG. So social media icons, PNG. And then you want to press transparent background. Transparent background. Then you just want to find one that you like, or to go with your style or your thing or whatever. Me, I don't know which one I want, so I think I'm gonna just, I don't know if I want to go with, I think I'm gonna go with this one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this one. So we're gonna do the same thing, add image. And sometimes it don't really be PNG, so you gotta erase it. And then I'm gonna go to the eraser app. Oh, let me show y'all the eraser app right here. When I'm moving around, it's called Erase. You can go to your app store and download it if you don't already have it on your phone. So we're gonna wait for that to load. Press the little image icon at the top. And then you want to go, and then you want to erase all of one of them. You're going to have to do this one at a time, so you just want to erase. I'm going to do the Snapchat one first. Matter of fact, I'm going to just find a PNG, like an actual PNG, so, because I don't want to be erasing all of that, so I'm going to use this one. Let's see. Okay, that's not really a PNG. Okay, let me see. Now we're going to go to the eraser app to see if it's really a PNG or not. It might take, okay, this is really a PNG. So then we just going to erase the ones you don't want, like, or social medias you don't have, or the ones you don't want to put out there, you know, in case you just want some, just for your, like, your personal, I guess. I don't know what to call it, but yeah. So we're going to erase these. Go ahead and erase those. Then you want to save this. And then what you're going to do, you're going to go back and you're going to erase these three. You're going to only do this one at a time. So I'm going to erase these two down there at the bottom. So then it's just Snapchat. We're going to crop it to where it's only the Snapchat icon, literally. You want to press that. Oh, okay, I think I'm going too fast. How you crop it, I'll show y'all the next one when I crop the next one. But yeah, it's going to look like this. Then you're going to press save. Okay, so let me slow down because I think I'm going too fast for some of y'all. Okay, so we're going to do the same step, but we're going to erase these two up there. I'm going to press done. Then you want to press the little crop thing down at the bottom. And then you want to press square. And you want to, you know, pull it together. And then, boom. Then you press done. And that's how it should look. And then at the end, you're going to make sure it say max. You're going to make sure it say PNG. You're going to press save. Photos or whatever. And then we just going to repeat that step one more final time. So, erase this one and this one. Press crop. I'm gonna make sure that's a square. Alright. then save. And then we gonna go back to photo, and then you wanna press add image, and then you just wanna add all 3 of these little images you just got. So then they should pop up just like how it would. We're gonna do that one more time so we get to the one. And then I think I'm gonna make this a template. Like, I'm not gonna add my social medias or anything. I'm gonna make this a template for somebody else. So instead of y'all, making y'all own. If y'all want to make your own, y'all can. But if y'all want to use this one, then you guys can. We're gonna move this up. Wait. Make sure all of these the same size. Okay, 89. 89. Ooh. That definitely was not at 89. So move those up. Oh. Okay, then I'm gonna press add item. And then we're gonna get another square. But we ain't gonna use this as a square. We're gonna turn this into a rectangle. So size, we're gonna put the length. We're gonna make it smaller. Okay, so yeah, that should be cool. But instead of making it this long, we're gonna make it a little smaller. So scoot that over. Oh, no, I think I gotta make this small. Okay, hold on. You could just keep playing with it and adjusting it to however you like it. If you feel like this is too much, all onto one little outro, then, you can make your own or adjust it to however you want. But I think I'm gonna just make this a template for whoever wants, don't feel like making one, because some people don't feel like making it, so I'll just make this one for them, and I'll post it at the end of this video so people can actually use it and get it. So yeah, I won't think I'm lying. Okay, then we're gonna memorize these size 110, 110, 31, and we're gonna keep doing that over and over again. I might move this little circle out of the picture. I might have it like that. So we're gonna just do this 110. I think the height was 81. Was it 81? Oh, 31. Oops, my bad. I was wondering why it ain't look the same. 31. Alright. 110, let's check. 110, 110, 31. Okay, so then we're gonna do that again. And 31, 110. Okay, I think that's fine. Then I'm gonna add text and I'm gonna say subscribe. And I'm gonna put a symbol. And I'm gonna put this one. And then I'm gonna make it just like how my words are up there. And then I'm gonna make it smaller. I'll make that real small. I'm gonna put it. No, I think I'm gonna make this red. I'm gonna make it red. Okay, y'all. I'm sorry if I'm all over the place. I'm really, really sorry, but for some reason I just like my stuff a certain way. I don't know what's wrong with me, but that's just how I am. So subscribe. Okay, I think that is cute like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and save this. You press like the little box, the little arrow going up to save it. Then you want to press save image. Okay, that was an ad that had popped up. But I'm gonna also make another one with this little circle just in case somebody want to use it, because I am gonna put 2 templates. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification, and comment down below some more video ideas. Don't forget to follow me on social media. Link will be down in the description, also on the screen. And don't forget to shop at my website with my brand, Lady Lex Cosmetics. And link will be down in the description. And without further ado, see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.